Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of motion in a plane. The question here is a cricket ball is thrown at a speed of 28 meter per second in a direction 30 degree above the horizontal. Calculate A. The maximum height, B. The time taken by the ball to return to the same level, and C. The horizontal distance from the thrower to the point where the ball returns to the same level. So first of all we see what the question is saying diagrammatically. So here this is horizontal, say x, and this is vertical, say y, and the thrower is throwing a ball with initial speed u at an angle theta, then the ball moves in a parabolic path. So this becomes horizontal distance, which we call as range, and this is the maximum height, and from point O to point A, time taken we have to calculate. So we see first of all what is given to us. Given is initial speed is 28 meter per second, theta is equals to 30 degree. So now we see how to solve this question. Solution. Now for part A, we have to find out maximum height. The formula that we'll be using, height is given by u square sine square theta upon 2g. So now we put the value 28 square into sine 30 square upon 2 into 9.8. That is equals to 28 into 28. Sine 30 is half into half upon 2 into 9.8. On solving this, we get this is equals to 10 meter. Now for B part, we have to calculate time. The formula for time of flight, it is called time of flight. It is 2u sine theta upon g. So now we put the values in this case. So t is equals to 2 into 28 into sine 30 upon 9.8, which is equals to 2 into 28 into sine 30 is half, divided by 9.8. On calculating, we get this equals to 2.9 second. Now C part. In C part, we have to calculate range. We see the formula for range. Range is given by R is equals to u square sine 2 theta upon g. So now for this, we put the values. So R will be equals to 28 square sine of 2 into 30, that is 60 degree, upon 9.8. That is equals to 28 multiplied by 28, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, divide by 9.8. On solving this, we get range is equals to 69.3 meter. So hence what are the results? The results are maximum height is equals to 10.0 meter, time of flight is equals to 2.9 second and horizontal distance is equals to 69.3 meter. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.